Good morning class 11 D and C. Welcome back to our literature period. In our literature period, our question answer are running. I have given talking about the test. Question answer of talking about the test. I have already given question number 1. What difference did you notice between the reaction of the adults and the children when faced with the danger? Now today I am going to dictate the question number 2. How does the story, बच्चों आज हम आपको जो क्वेश्चन लिखाने जा रहे हैं वो क्वेश्चन है आपकी बुक में होगा, आप टेली करिए. हाउ डज द स्टोरी सजेस्ट दैट ऑप्टिमिज्म हेल्प्स टू इंड्योर द डिरेस्ट स्ट्रेस. समझे, द डिरेस्ट स्ट्रेस. अब आप इसको देखिए, द डिरेस्ट स्ट्रेस सिंगल डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में दिया हुआ है, क्वेश्चन मार्क. आगे आंसर लिखिए बच्चों. द ऑथर along with his family, the author along with his family set a sail, S-A-I-L, set a sail, S-A-I-L, sail from Plymouth. स्पेलिंग हम बोलना है, P कैपिटल में रहेगा, P-L-Y, प्लाई, माउथ, M-O-U-T-H, माउथ, प्लाई माउथ, इंग्लैंड, made 200 years earlier by Captain James, James, J-A-M-E-S, James, C-O-O-K, कुक. ये नेम्स है जेम्स कुक, तो सी कैपिटल में रहेगा, जेम्स कुक, C-O-O-K, कुक, फुल स्टॉप. द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ द जर्नी स्पेंट amusingly. स्पेलिंग हम बोलना है A-M-U-S-I-N-G-L-Y, amusingly, as they sailed down the west coast of Africa. The west, W-E-S-T, west coast, C-O-S-T, coast of Africa, to Cape Town. स्पेलिंग बोलना C-A-P, Cape Town. आगे लिखिए. द अदर डे they began to face strong gales. आगे लिखिए, फुल स्टॉप. डिस्पाइट रफ वेदर, डिस्पाइट, D-E-S-P-I-T, डिस्पाइट रफ वेदर, they had spent sea holiday, sea समुद्र वाला, S-E-A, sea holiday, with a Christmas tree, Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T, M-A-S, Christmas tree, full stop. The author decided to protect the ship, rough weather, and to control the flooding water of the ship, पैराग्राफ चेंज करिए. बोथ लॉरी एंड हर लिखिए, बोथ लॉरी, L कैपिटल में रहेगा, नाम है ये, L-A-R-R-Y, लॉरी, एंड हार्वी, स्पेलिंग फिर कैपिटल में आएगा, H-E-R-B-I-E, वर cheerful and तो देखिए, बोथ लैरी एंड हार्वी, HERBIE, हार्वी वर cheerful and optimistic, were cheerful and optimistic, 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 full stop. They were facing all the crucial horrors, all the crucial, CRUCIAL, crucial horrors, HOURS, horrors, full stop. This optimism of the Voyagers, 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 helps to endure the dearest stars, spelling बोलेंगे, the dearest, DIREST, dearest stars, STRERS, stars. आगे लिखिए, पैराग्राफ चेंज करके, 17 years old Sue did not worry them. 17 years old Sue, S कैपिटल में रहेगा, नाम है SUE, Sue, did not worry them by showing her head injury, and a deep cut on her arm, full stop. She made a caricature, 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 showing how much she liked of them, full stop. आगे लिखिए, she said thank them and whisked, WISHED, whisked a hope for the best, full stop. There was totally optimism in their life, full stop. Most of all, a 17 years old girl, who did not want us to worry about the head injury, and of a 60 years old boy, and of a 6 years 6 साल है बच्चों से, 6 years old boy who was not afraid to die. लास्ट वाला पहला देखिए बच्चों, 17 years old Sue did not worry them by showing her head injury, head injury, INJURY, and a deep out on her arm. She made a caricature showing how much she liked of them. She said thank them and wished a hope for the best. There was a totally optimism in their life. Most of all, a 17 years old girl who did not want us to worry about the head injury, and of a 6 years old boy who was not afraid to die. आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 नोट करिए बच्चों. What lesson do you learn from such hazardous experience? What lesson do you learn from such hazardous, HAZARDOUS, hazardous experiences when we are face to face with them? हाँ बच्चों, देखिए मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आज डिक्टेट किया है. और कल और इसके बाद मैं घर से जाके आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और 4 की पिक्चर